Hello, my name is Jeremy, and today I'm going to showcase a mock proposal to build a website for a fictitious client called Real Deal Tacos out of San Diego, California. Let's get started. I'm excited today to showcase this proposal for you, Real Deal Tacos in sunny San Diego, California. In this short presentation, I'm going to outline what I feel is key for addressing your needs as a client, but also highlight a plan of strategy to provide you with a website that you can engage with and build an interactive approach to connect with your customers. Based on your client brief, we're focusing on a target audience of men and women aged 15 to 50 with a passion for locally sourced cuisine. There are some key design considerations that I want to highlight, which will help us to help connect your brand to the customers you're connecting with. We'll also work to showcase the locally sourced focus that will help your brand stand apart. First, we need to create a website that is simple and allows your customers to easily find out who you are, what makes you unique, what you offer, and how to connect with you. Second, my goals are to design it in such a way that conveys all your key objectives while also making it easy for a customer to navigate. Finally, regarding the design, we want to highlight a few basic things within your site that you are passionate about in your client brief. We want to share your story so that people can connect with more than just a meal. We want to create value by helping you share recipes with your customers. We also want to develop an interactive and easy way for your customers to find you without having to search for or address trying to call and find out where you're located. My strategy is to build the site with search engine optimization in mind, using your look and feel keywords and the images that you provided. This will help us in creating an environment that is engaging, where you will notice returning site traffic. My first recommendation would be to develop a plan, not just telling a story, but to give you a tool to tell regular short and simple stories using a blog within your website. This will also be used to post any news stories or engaging content that you will also share on your identified social media platforms. By using your website as a central way to share your daily news and connect your social media feeds, that provides additional optimization to help you show up on search engines with very little additional work on your part, because as business owners, you're already busy. The simple design layout will not only cover your primary goals, but also make it much easier to navigate. The easier it is for a customer to find the information they want, the more likely they are to find out what connects them to your brand. The layout is simple and helps address the web habits of the age range of your target market, but also helps create an experience that creates more than just a customer, but a friend that comes back to visit for more news and recipes. My vision is that a customer can first connect with you in the welcome page and learn what makes you different on a personal level by seeing your story as well as the passion you have for your business. Your menu page is easily adjustable to showcase what you offer and even make it easy in the future if you plan on ever allowing online ordering. As we discussed, your blog is a great place to keep a news feed that also shows up in search engines and helps people connect their interests with your fresh food. Of course, upon delivery, we'll also be there to help show you how to create your first blog post. Creating the recipe area is such a friendly and personal way to offer ideas to people while also connecting them with how you make your organic dishes or even source your local ingredients. Consolidating quick and easy access to your locations, key business information, and a way for people to contact you adds to the simplicity, which will make your customers happy. Unless we have any changes to consider that I may have missed in your client brief or other things that may have come up since we initially met, here is what I feel would be our next steps. Once you approve our proposal and estimate for your site, we'll get started and identify a projected launch date. Based upon the client brief, we'll be using Wix as the platform to launch your site on. But we are also comfortable and have other clients that also use Squarespace and GoDaddy. So we can work with you on those as well if you choose. You can expect that once your site launches, you'll now have a place to share your recipes and news that you can use to engage with your customers. We'll share some tips and strategy to make the most out of your posts. You'll also want to update your social media to reflect your new web address as well. There are only a few questions or notes that I have. If you'd like to showcase a photo of yourselves, we would need to get that to place on your site, which we would place in your story section. As your budget allows, we can also work with you in the future to improve or update with professional photos, or if you want to add any video, we're there for you. We can also help you connect your social media platforms to your site to save time in sharing updates to your blog. Finally, we can further discuss some options for standardizing your brand image throughout your social media for the common theme, making it more familiar throughout. And another cool thing about working with us is that you can join our free community to connect with other business owners who are customers of ours just like you, to share and ask questions, where you can also get ideas of things that you can do on your own. We're more than just building your website. We're building a partnership and a community that you can be part of. I look forward to partnering up to dish out some fresh, organic, locally sourced eats. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.